Alright guys, here is a house, roof, and gutter job. Or house, roof, and garage. So they've got the pond, they've got a million plants, overgrown, you've got hangers, you've got big leafy plants there, you've got vines, more vines, a million beautiful plants. We are going to tell this customer that if they would like to have it done, to call us in the winter, because I am not going to play with all this. Just not happening. Too much risk, not enough reward. But we'll price it out. And yeah, there's just way too much greenery on this thing to even bother attempting it. And all God's creatures are welcome here. Yep.